In this episode, let's talk about how you can activate Microsoft Fabric for your tenant. First of all, open your Power BI service, click on the setting here and click on this admin portal. This will open this kind of interface. Go to the tenant setting and underneath that there is an option Microsoft Fabric. Over here, you just need to turn it on. You can enable Fabric for your entire organization or a specific security group. I am doing for the entire organization. So let me just click on apply and that will take around 15 minutes to apply these changes. After waiting for the 15 minutes, you can able to see this kind of Microsoft Fabric homepage. So this is your home and underneath that I can see three different tiles over here. Power BI, Data Factory and Synapse Data Warehouse. If your organization is already using the Azure Synapse, you can see some more options as well over here. If you click on Power BI, it will redirecting you to the Power BI home. And from the bottom as well, you can navigate through the different Microsoft Fabric components over here. So this is how you can enable the Microsoft Fabric in your tenancy. If you are for the first time to my channel, make sure you hit subscribe and press the bell notification to never miss any updates from me. And don't forget to follow me on my Twitter and Instagram.